Hey folks, I received a mystery package from Albania, and it has a customs declaration. I have a piece of wood hiding the person's name and some wax paper hiding my address, because it's on YouTube, so it's obvious reasons. But I've been waiting for a package of some Monstera albo variegata from France, and I ordered them back in March, and now we're in May. And the person went defunct on Etsy. They have 1-star review. Their store's no longer valid. I don't know what happened. I have a shipment from Sri Lanka I'm expecting that I bought off Etsy as well. It shipped yesterday, so too soon for it to be that. And over a week ago, I ordered some Red Lebanese fig cuttings, not to be confused with the Lebanese Red, which I already have. And it still shows the payment stuck on processing, so I'll probably have to contact Etsy and inquire about that. Anyway, I'm wondering if this is the package from France, but it was shipped from Albania, so let us open this and ascertain. So I'm going to do this ever so carefully as to conceal the shipping address and the person's name. But let's see, it says Postar. Not sure what that reads, but you can feel here I have the plants. So I was able to cut without damaging them. And I'll probably be saving these stamps, they're kind of cool. Of course, when the U.S. Postal Office went to stickers versus postage stamps you lick and stick, it seemed like stamp collecting has fallen out of vogue, in my opinion. But if you're a stamp collector and you still collect even despite that, let me know. Oh, wow, the Red Lebanese. And it wasn't shipped from... I forgot where I mentioned it was shipped from earlier, but... it was supposed to be shipped from this country, Andorra or something, between France and Spain. At least I researched it, so I received the fig cuttings from Albania instead. But anyway, I am excited about these. So now let us open this up and check them out. It's kind of ironic how the payment shows processing, yet it arrived. So it will be fun to see how it, will look. And I can't wait to plant these. I'll probably go ahead and plant them as soon as I'm done here. I'll stick them in. No, I need to prep an area with a humid environment for them. I want to make sure they grow. Wow. So they waxed the ends, and now they're both cut flat, so I don't know which side's up and which side's down, but when you notice on the... let me zoom in. When you notice on the nodes, and these are a little dark because they're wet, you have a wider area and then a couple smaller areas. Same here, wide and a couple small. So I'll compare that to figs to see if the leaf grows here and then the figs grow there, or vice versa, and that will help me learn the orientation. But I think it's like that because this side's thicker, that side's thinner. Same thing, this side's thicker, that side's thinner. So what I'll do is I'll leave the top part waxed up. The bottom part, I'll cut at an angle, stick them in a container with a humidity dome to make sure these grow, and we're in business. Looking at this fig, you can see I have the wide and then two narrow ones, and here's the trunk coming up. So as you can tell, this is the side that goes down. It's the wider one of these nodes. And here as well, you can see the wider than a couple small ones. So now that I know that this side is down, I'm going to cut these at an angle. First to remove the wax, because the wax will prevent the roots. And Second, it increases surface area. I don't know why I keep using the cheap Dollar Tree pruners when I have much nicer ones. So then I'm going to stick these in the soil right there. Let me move this more in frame. I have some other plants, some Hoyas I'm propagating. And for humidity, the simplest way to do it is, if you have a wider grocery bag, that would be better. But I'm just going to be covering them with the grocery bag, and that will provide humidity for the fig to keep them from drying out. And they do root pretty fast, so it will be quite easy to not have to worry about them sitting months unrooted. But now I'm going to move this out of the way. This one I have nothing in, and set this as low as I can. Okay, excellent. And then you see right there, I have pots wedged, so we're good on that. Here's the begonia lichenera, or lichenora, that was dying. I had moved it, and I put it out here to get more light, and hopefully it will regrow. It was looking really nice that I propagated, but moving around and stuff right now, it's really hard to maintain plants in multiple cities. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.